So this is the Makima wig. It's very nice. Here's the braid. You can see it has a realistic hairline. Let's take a closer look at it. So here's the inside of the wig. You can see the fibers are very thick. There's a lot of hair. And there's a skin cap. You can adjust the size. You note the realistic hairline, the nice bangs. So this is how the wig looks like straight out of the bag. You can tell it's very nice and matte. It's already braided for you. Let's take a look at the back of the wig. So here I am wearing the wig. You can tell I went ahead and trimmed the bangs and the side bang pieces. Looks very nice. But here's the braid. Nice and thick, good red color.